Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got something exciting to talk about. We're diving deep into the world of motherboards. And we've found what we believe to be the best MSI Intel motherboard on the market, the MSI Z790-A WiFi ProSeries. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest product reviews. Now, let's jump right in. Now, when it comes to building a high-performance PC, the motherboard is the foundation, and this MSI Z790-A is an absolute beast. It's packed with features that will blow your mind. So, let's break down what makes this motherboard so special. First and foremost, this motherboard supports 12th and 13th Gen Intel processors, which means you're getting the latest and greatest technology under the hood. It's designed with LGA 1700 socket, DDR5 memory support, PCIe 5.0 slots, M2 storage options, 2.5 gigabits per second LAN, USB 3.2 General 2 ports, and Wi-Fi 6E connectivity. That's a mouthful, but it translates to insane performance and speed. One of the standout features here is the enhanced power design with 16+1+1 DRMOS and dual 8-pin CPU power connectors. This ensures your CPU gets all the juice it needs for overclocking and handling resource-intensive tasks with ease. The Core Boost and Memory Boost features optimize performance even further. Now, let's talk about thermal solutions. The Z790-A features an extended heatsink, MOSFET thermal pads rated for 7W MK, additional choke thermal pads, and the M.2 shield frozer. These are all designed to keep your system cool even during those long gaming sessions. Another impressive aspect is the high-quality PCB. It's a 6-layer PCB made by 2 ounces thickened copper, which means it's not only durable but also provides excellent conductivity for stable performance. Before you buy, remember to check the compatibility with your other components, as some products with electrical plugs may require adapters or converters for international use. Now, let's talk about the price. This motherboard is currently available at an amazing discount, making it even more tempting for those looking to upgrade their system. So, there you have it, the MSI Z790-A WiFi ProSeries motherboard, a powerhouse for your PC build. If you want top-notch performance, reliability, and future-proofing, this motherboard deserves your consideration. It's no wonder we believe it's the best MSI Intel motherboard available right now. Don't forget to hit the link in the description to grab yours today. And as always, if you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up, leave your thoughts in the comments. And stay tuned for more in-depth product reviews here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.